name is Giulio. I'm with the Oerlikon team of business development.
My name is Guenther Schullerer. I'm at MT Aerospace and my function is head of engineering. We see here different applications. The large part here is a prototype part for turbo pump, which is applied for a mini launcher. This is done in cooperation with Oerlikon.
And we are minimizing weight and maximizing the mechanical properties together.
Next part, what we see here, interesting part, it's typically for space applications where we have generally microgravity, meaning we lose completely the effect of gravitation, and here we have a so-called 3D printed bionic surface, meaning we define a specific property of the surface by using 3D printing.
Here we are complementing MT Aerospace design capability with Oerlikon Surface Solutions Skids.
These are parts for local load introduction. See here then the final product, but here we can define specific designs which are best optimized to transfer loadings into the CFRP shaft.
Again, I think that here we have an iteration from the design authority to the optimization of the part in a hand. And so I think this is an important example of cooperation.